Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. I'm Dhanashri. I help you simplify the makeup while still looking absolutely flawless. Today's video is so important because today we are talking about the makeup mistakes that you don't know you were making. Some of these are tiny habits that make a huge difference in how your makeup looks and lasts. Mistake 1. Prepping but not correctly prepping. Everyone says prep your skin, but many don't realize that prepping changes according to the skin type. If you have oily skin and if you use mattifying moisturizer, then your skin is gonna look patchy. For oily skin, if you use creamy moisturizer, then your skin is gonna look greasy. For combination skin, if you have oily T-zone, then you have to use mattifying moisturizer, and for dry T-zone, you have to use creamy moisturizer. Also, the most important step in skincare is you have to wait between 30 to 60 seconds between your steps. Mistake 2. Using the wrong primer. This one is common. Using the wrong primer for your skin concern. If you use silicone primer with water-based foundation, then your base gonna separate. If you use hydrating primer on oily T-zone, then your base is gonna look greasy. Third, most importantly, if you skip primer on textured skin, it's gonna emphasize your pores. So always use the primer according to the skin concern and the foundation type. Mistake 3. Using too much foundation. Most people think more foundation is equal to more coverage. But the secret? It's actually less foundation and more spot concealing. If you use too much foundation, it's gonna settle into lines. Also, it will make your skin look older or cakey. You have to build your coverage where it's needed and do the concealing instead of masking your entire face. Mistake 4. Baking when you don't need to. Baking looks good on camera, but it's not for everyday look. Baking makes under eye dry and it looks powdery in real life. Alternatively, use light powder only on your oily T-zones. Also, press, do not sweep. Mistake 5. Filling brows too harshly. You have to fill your brows very lightly at start. Then draw the line from the inside. Take that line till the end of your eye. Draw the line from upward till here and take that line till here. You have to draw the line from inside your brow. Similarly, light strokes here. Take the line from inside, take it till the end of your eye. Leave the space. Take the line from here, from inside. Take a straight line till here. Now fill in eyebrows. Brush them. Mistake 6. Last but not the least, using too much setting spray. If you use too much setting spray, your face is gonna look wet and the foundation gonna look patchy. Use X and T motion to apply setting spray. Let it dry naturally and your look is ready. And that's it beauties. These were some makeup mistakes that you didn't know you were making. If you learned something new, hit that like button. Comment part 2 if you want me to break down more advanced makeup mistakes, and subscribe for more makeup.